Hey there guys, in this video we're going to be solving a nice number theory problem where we want to solve for the prime number p, for which p squared plus 44 is a prime number. Now before we go on, consider subscribing and ring the bell to not miss my latest videos, and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. So let's say that we have n, which is a natural number, and it is greater than 3. We can go ahead and say that we can express it as 6 times k, or 6 times k plus or minus 1, or 6 times k plus or minus 2, or 6 times k plus 3, and all of these k's are positive integers. Now, notice that in the first case, we can clearly say that n is divisible by 6, therefore n is not a prime number. In this one, I can say that 2 divides n, therefore n is not a prime number. And this one indicates that 3 divides n, therefore n is not a prime number. But if you look at this, we can clearly see that this is not divisible by anything other than itself or 1. So that means that this is a prime number. So I can go ahead and say that any prime number greater than 3 is in the form of 6 times some integer plus or minus 1. Now notice that we want p squared plus 44 to be a prime number. Therefore, we have to square both sides to get p squared. So if we do that, we will have p squared equals 36k squared plus or minus 12k plus 1. And then from here, I can pull out a 12 to get p squared equals 12 times 3k squared plus or minus k, and then plus 1. Now notice that since k is an integer, this part must be an integer. So I can replace it with some integer like m. And I can say that if a prime number is greater than 3, then its square is in the form of 12 times some integer plus 1. Now, notice that we want p squared plus 44, so let's go ahead and add 44 to both sides to get p squared plus 44 is equal to 12m plus 45, which can be written as 3 times 4m plus 15, which indicates that 3 divides p squared plus 44, which means that p squared plus 44 is not going to be a prime number whenever p is greater than 3. So if we want p squared plus 44 to be a prime number, where p is a prime number, we have to have p less than or equal to 3. Now we know that the only prime numbers that are less than or equal to 3 are 2 and 3. Now if p equals 2, then p squared plus 44 is going to be 48, which is clearly not a prime number. But if p equals 3, then p squared plus 44 is going to be 9 plus 44, which is 53, and 53 is a prime number. Therefore, p equals 3 is the only prime number for which p squared plus 44 is going to be a prime number. Therefore, we have only one solution for this problem, and this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please consider subscribing for more contents like this, and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Hopefully, I will see you later. Goodbye for now.